This is Vice Vista Consulting. In my previous video, I talked about my CV builder. I demonstrated how to use my CV builder. In this video, I'll talk about a component of that resume builder, which is a cover letter builder. It uses the same great templates. It makes writing a professional cover letter quite easy. So when you log into the software or into the website, you will get access to the resume builder. You can switch between the cover letter and the resume builder. And the cover letter, you enter the name of the company. Like here, you enter a name. You can optionally enter the name of the hiring manager. And once you do that, you notice that there's a change. The name appears here, and then the ending is different. It ends with sincerely. If you remove it, it goes back to faithfully. You enter your personal information, and then the body of the letter. And then there's a guide for writing a good cover letter. So if you click here, you go through the guide. It will guide you, in writing a great cover letter. And after doing all that, you click on Save Cover Letter, and to just save it. And then after that, you can download it as a PDF. The cover letter builder is free, so you can use this to create a great cover letter. Remember, our website is cvbuilder.bytevista.com. Take advantage of this to build a great cover letter and get that interview you desire. Thank you again for listening.